The next product line is the Variable Refrigerant Flow (VRF) system. Yanmar's VRF gas heat pumps use a natural gas and reversible air source technology to deliver heating and cooling at a low operating cost. This is possible by varying the amount of refrigerant flow based on facility heating or cooling demand. Unlike conventional HVAC systems, which are either off or on, our system operates at a level consistent with actual facility needs. In doing so, supply is optimized and cost saving realized. Users can create zoned comfort depending on the needs of the building. Configuration options allow for as few as 2 zones and up to 29 zones on a single piping network. With a heat recovery option, buildings can be heated and cooled simultaneously in different zones or different rooms within that facility. This means one room or zone can be heated at 80 degrees, while another room or zone can be cooled at 65 degrees simultaneously from the same condensing unit. The benefits of this system include a reduction of overall operating costs by up to 70%, depending, of course, on local utility rates. A reduction in electricity usage by up to 90%. This reduction is possible because Yanmar's VRF system only uses electricity to energize the control system. The natural gas engine does the heavy work and drives the compressors. Because this system primarily uses natural gas, there is a significant reduction in harmful emissions when compared to other HVAC approaches and lowered system lifecycle costs. Currently, there are 5 GHP models in the U.S. market. Included are 4 models of the 2-pipe system, which include 8, 10, 12, and 14-ton units. There is one 3-pipe heat recovery system available, which is rated at 14-ton. Displayed are some specifications which highlight our GHP models. We'll begin by reviewing the 2-pipe outdoor units and start with the NNCP 096J model. The numeric portion of the model's name refers to the capacity in 1,000 BTUs while in cooling mode. The 096 then equates to 96,000 BTUs. The 120 is 120,000 BTUs, and so on. A unique specification for these units is the heating capacity versus the amount of fuel consumption. Let's focus on the NNCP 168J specifications on the bottom right of this slide. The first bullet states a maximum cooling capacity of 168,000 BTUs, which coincides with the model number. Also, the maximum fuel consumption in cooling mode is the same at 168,000 BTUs. However, in heating mode, the heating capacity is 198,000 BTUs with a maximum fuel consumption of 147,000 BTU. This means the system can produce heat at a much greater volume than the amount of energy being consumed. The benefit to our customers is significant, with an important emphasis on energy conservation. The final GHP is our heat recovery 3-pipe system. As stated earlier, the difference between the 3-pipe heat recovery 14-ton GHP and the 2-pipe 14-ton GHP is the ability to heat and cool simultaneously from the same condensing unit. The heating and cooling capacity and fuel consumption mirrors that of its 2-pipe 14-ton sibling. Displayed are a few installations where Yanmar's GHP VRF systems are being used. As with the CHP, there are many systems installed worldwide. Application examples include schools, gas companies, businesses, city halls, apartments, luxury homes, Yanmar America, and the Evo Center in Ackworth, Georgia.